The brave little squirrel. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a brave little squirrel named Dora. Dora was curious and loved exploring new places. One sunny morning, Dora discovered a big shiny red apple lying on the ground. Wow, what a delicious looking apple! Dora tried to lift the apple, but it was too heavy for her. She struggled and tugged, but it just wouldn't budge. Dora looks around and spots her friends a rabbit, a bird, and a tortoise. She runs over to them. Realizing she couldn't do it alone, Dora asked her friends for help. Can you help me carry that apple? Her friends agreed and went near the apple. The rabbit, bird, tortoise, and Dora gathered around the apple. The rabbit held the apple with its paws, the bird lifted it with its beak, and the tortoise supported it from the bottom. Together, they worked as a team. With everyone's help, they were able to carry the apple back to Dora's home. Back at Dora's home, they shared the apple and enjoyed a delicious feast. Dora looked at her friends and smiled. Thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you. And so, Dora learned that sometimes we need a little help from our friends. Working together makes everything easier and more fun. Moral of the story: Unity is strength.